Hey everyone, this is Shivala. In today's class, we are going to automate WhatsApp and we are going to send the messages using Python. So today I'll be using library PyWhatKit. So first of all, I have to install the library in my system. So in order to install PyWhat library, I have to open my Anaconda navigator. In this, click on environment and then click on open terminal. We have to wait for a minute. Okay, now in this you can type pip install and PyWhat kit. So this is the name of the library. It will take some time. So as you can see, this is successfully installed. Now I'll go back to my Spider. I'll be using Spider. You can use even IDLE or any IDE of your choice. Now you have to import the library, which is import PyWhat kit. So I'll be using a short name as kit only. So instead of using PyWhat kit, I'll just use kit. So in this we have a method which is send what msg. So the method name is send what msg. So as you can see, it will take argument. The first argument is the phone number to whom you want to send the message. The second is the message which you want to send. It will be in the form of string only. Third argument will be the time, which is in hour, and it should be in 24-hour format. And the fourth argument will be the minutes, in which hour, in which minute you want to send the message. So I'll take first argument as the phone number. This is also enclosed in double quote, that means it will be string. So the country code, that is +91 and the number now. So after the phone number, type the message, that will also be in string. Okay, now at what time you want to send the message, so you can schedule it. So I'll write 22 for 10 p.m. and it's 17, so after 2 minutes I want it to deliver. So I'm writing 19 minutes. I'll save this and I will run this. Now before you run it, make sure you have your browser open. So F5. So after 20 minutes message, after 20 seconds message will be delivered. So coming back to our Chrome, so let's wait for a few seconds. As you can see, Python is automatically opening WhatsApp. It has typed the message even. Let's wait. As you can see, it has automatically delivered the message we have typed. So this way you can send message or automate your WhatsApp message through Python library. So that's all for today's class. We'll meet in next class with more such interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching.